Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy of Fashion. I hope you all are doing good and doing well. That's great. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. I know you are waiting of my latest video. So ladies and gents, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. Today I am presenting beautiful hair color ideas according to the winter season. I am presenting all the winter hair color ideas with different hairstyles. So let's start the video. As you can see, I am presenting all the beautiful hairstyles with short hairstyles, with long hairstyles, with chin length, with shoulder length, with mid length, long length. You can select your favorite length according to your choice and personality, and after it, you can choose your favorite hairstyle and hair color. Well, I am presenting all the beautiful hair color which are going on trending in this season. After getting this hairstyle, you will feel like a model and celebrity. These all hairstyles and hair colors are really amazing according to the upcoming winter season and according to your personality. No doubt these hair colors and haircuts will enhance the beauty of your personality. After getting these hair color and hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like kitty parties, functions, casually, formally, in weddings, in receptions as well. It's up to you that what kind of hairstyle and hair color you select for yourself and where you want to use it. Well, I am presenting all the beautiful balayage hair colors, streaking hair colors, base hair colors, and all fashion hair colors in it. You can go on with your favorite hairstyle with bangs, without bangs. If you like long length or short length, it's up to you. You can select your favorite, either is it's long or short. You can select your favorite hair color. I hope you guys like my video today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section. Have a great hair day.